Don't ask for 100 kinds of meetings. I only want the same quality. Today, I will share a climbing skill with my friends. It's just normal. We go through bendy points. You're going to climb, right? So what if it has a boss on it, or there's a side next to it to block it? Then we climb the surface. Is that how it climbs? You climb back and forth, right? So what about knives? After cutting to this heaviest area, the knife you see will be the same as this side. Will it produce tangent to a state? Yes. Or the area we walk in straight face? You can take a look, right? What about the ball knife? Will be on our side. Yeah, it fits. This area will fit together. So maybe in theory, it won't be a problem. But in fact, after the machine, it will produce some interference, maybe go a little groove, or some overcutting phenomenon, right? This problem occurs. So when we were programming to climb the surface, especially climbing on this kind of lateral place, we must avoid this from happening. Just avoid this from happening. Knives in this area, it's close to a fit, right? To avoid this problem. So then we'll make savings. In this way, let's avoid some, then climb up to this time. Take a look. Did you avoid it? It won't be touched. So what about this way? I want my classmates to study. Well, it just takes a very simple operation. Choose, check the surface. But if this selection checks the surface, there is one detail. You have to adjust the filter because we click on this, check, right? And then you put this filter on to choose the way to face it. Don't choose entities to choose the way to face. Then select these two faces as the examination body. After choosing at our location, a safe distance from here, right? It needs to be adjusted. When it is overcut as skipped, just checking the geometry here. What if it is our lower version? You find the chip area. There is a security setting. You will see this column. When you overcut this, set to skip. Then let it have one with us, right? Check the body. One of the 10 silks avoids. Then it would jump directly to get such an effect. Then now click OK to generate the road. Then avoid it. Then avoid it. What about after avoiding it? That's the result. Knives, right? This shaving blade and what you do. The set decompression surface will have a 0.1 AI gap. In that case, it can prevent our ball knife from climbing the surface with your profile. What about the overcutting phenomenon? Or to produce one of our contact phenomena is to let it avoid this kind of overcutting problem.